Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can vectorize images and photos in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to your presentation. I will go with this one with that example image here. If you don't know how to insert it, an image, click into insert at the top, choose image, and after that locate it on your device in JPEG or PNG file format to place it on your slide. Position it here, resize it if needed. So to vectorize it or to convert it into a vector, right click into it, hover mouse over convert and choose to polygon. And then you will see the vectorized image here, for example. So what you want to do is use the preview feature and you will see the vectorized image and the sourced image here. You can customize that as well, for example, by setting a point reduction in pixels. Click into OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.